Hi, Lisa Wigfall. I'm excited. I got this milk frother that I ordered on Amazon and I'm excited. I've been eyeballing and looking at the milk frother and I'm about tired of putting my milk in the microwave or in a pot and then frosting it with my little battery operated frother. So here it is, my milk frother. I don't know, Saboki. I just got the one that had the best reviews that I found on Amazon. And if you're interested, you can also go down in the description and then you'll see the link so that you can order one too. But let's get into what's inside. The heating portion, a little cleaner, brush cleaner. Nice suction on the cup. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wow. It's got a coil on the top. Plus it has a coil on the inside as well. And wow, what I didn't know is it has multiple features. So even cold, that's a surprise to me. I guess I ordered it and forgot what I got, but it also froths cold, so I'm excited about that. Different sizes that you could do. And the manual. It comes with, let's see what kind of automatic warranty, for 12 months. And it says it will not apply in cases of accident, misuse, or repairs performed by unauthorized personnel. And let's see, it's going to cover the product and labor for 12 months, so that's great. So I'm going to give this a wash and we're going to see how it works. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show you real quick inside. Not sure if you could see it, but inside, right on the side, it has writing for markings of what's the minimum, what's the max. And so I've already have it plugged in. It recommended, or they recommended whole milk, but I have almond milk today. Otherwise it would be oat milk, but I only use non-dairy milk. So I am going to fill it up to, let's do the max. In between the max and minimum. I'm gonna put it on top there. Put the lid on, and you can see that part of the top is still visible. All right, let's see what happens. Nice suction. Let's see. On it, if you'll see the differences, I guess very light, medium, and then heavy froth. I'm going to do the heavy froth and let's see what happens. Let me just check the manual really quick and see about the time. Okay, 3 beeps. It did say when you hear 3 beeps sound, the process is completed. Milk will warm upon once frothed. All right, so let's see what it looks like. The suction is very snug. Oh, wow, look at that. That's almond. Okay. And let me just put a couple of drops real quick. Y'all, look at that. I am doing a little bit of stevia, matcha green latte. Nothing is opening right now. All right, vanilla syrup. Let's see how it pours in. Wow, okay. All right, let's wiggle that foam froth out. like they do the baristas. Okay, so maybe for what I'm doing, it was a little thicker than I anticipated. You see? This is a serious frother. So I'm actually having to spoon it out. It didn't kind of like pour out, but look at that. So this is the frother. This one is Saboki, I guess, that I got on Amazon. Like I said, I will put the link so that you can order it, but I don't have to worry about my froth disappearing. And again, this was with oat milk. So let's give it a taste, but I am totally impressed. And I'm gonna take a sip before I go. All right, now, this is the one thing that I haven't been able to kind of like reduce and kind of do a hack on when I go out and order it at coffee shops. So again, the milk frother that I just got, I just wanted to share it with you. I hope that you found this video interesting, especially if you were interested in getting a frother so that you don't have to microwave and then do the battery operated frother. That's it for today. My name is Lisa Wigfall. I love to end my videos with this as best as you can. Remember to live, love, laugh, and smile. Until next time, bye.